So welcome back in this channel again. Today we'll be sharing some interesting words, using those words in your writing skills, writing task, as well as in the speaking task. I'm sure it will be enhancing your band score. Quickly, you can note down the first word, that is profound. Profound means very intense or very deep. So you can use this word like my friend Ali. She has profound knowledge of human behavior. So what you can do, you can write your sentences in the chat box or in the comment box, so we can know that you understood this word properly. Second is deterrent. Deterrent means very fearful. So the current government policy is deterrent for taxpayers, or the current order of apex court means the Supreme Court, is deterrent for the victims. Third word you can note down is volatile. Volatile means we change its nature or property frequently or unexpectedly. So, my friend David, who keep changing his statement frequently, so we can use like my friend David has volatile nature, right? So the fourth one is irrevocable. Irrevocable means which cannot be changed. So the final verdict of the Supreme Court is irrevocable. Or at my home, the final decision of my parents is irrevocable. Yes, so you can utilize these words and enhance your band score. Stay tuned for such interesting videos. See you soon.